We've never specifically sought out groups of veterans before. It was really rewarding.
I think that kind of community building and camaraderie is something that women really need, and to just be ourselves.
The goal of Becoming an Outdoorswoman is to introduce adult women to a whole variety of outdoor skills.
Whether it was archery, kayaking, fishing, or hunting.
Women were teaching it, and there was a certain way of their teaching capabilities or skills that, they never talked down to us. We were equal.
The sincerity and the fact that they were authentic. They had this sincere passion for what they were actually sharing with us.
Only 1% of the U.S. population joins the military, and only 1% of them are women.
There's something about women in the military. There's something about being self-sufficient. And I like training. I enjoy practicing and training and learning new things.
She's a Marine and I was in the Air Force.
Yeah.
And, so we were 1% of that 1%. So what we did sort of stepped out of that box anyway. So to do this really and watch our peers have that skill was really nice.
There's that feeling of collective camaraderie. We're all having our own experiences, but we're still, able to enjoy each other's company.
I think it was a great opportunity for camaraderie and to make new friends.
The 3-day program clearly left a lasting impression.
Anytime a woman can become more self-sufficient and feel connections and support, that's significant. And I felt that.
Thank you for letting us participate in it. It was a really great opportunity. I appreciated it.
Overall, it was just really rewarding, and I'm excited to keep building that relationship with them.
To learn more about the BOW program, visit DEC's website.